Hi, I'm Nathan, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about AI-powered investment strategies. As you know, artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world, and the investment industry is no exception. AI-powered investment tools and strategies are becoming increasingly popular, as they offer the potential to help investors make smarter investment decisions and boost their passive income. In this video, I'm going to explore some of the different AI-powered investment tools and strategies that are available. I'll also discuss the benefits of using AI in investing, as well as some of the risks involved. What is AI-powered investing? AI-powered investing is the use of artificial intelligence to make investment decisions. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including historical market data, news articles, and social media posts, to identify trends and patterns that humans may miss. This information can then be used to make informed investment decisions, such as which stocks to buy or sell. There are two main types of AI-powered investment strategies. 1. Algorithmic trading. This is a type of trading that uses AI algorithms to automatically execute trades. 1. Algorithmic traders can take advantage of market fluctuations and maximize profit potential. 2. Investment advisory. This is a type of service that provides investors with investment advice based on AI-powered analysis. 2. Investment advisors can help investors to build diversified portfolios and achieve their financial goals. Benefits of AI-powered investing. There are several benefits to using AI in investing. First, AI can help investors to make more informed investment decisions. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data that would be impossible for humans to process on their own. This allows investors to identify trends and patterns that they might otherwise miss. Second, AI can help investors to automate their investment decisions. This can free up investors' time so that they can focus on other things, such as their careers or their families. Third, AI can help investors to reduce their risk. AI algorithms can identify and avoid risky investments. This can help investors to protect their capital and achieve their financial goals. Risks of AI-powered investing. While there are many benefits to using AI in investing, there are also some risks involved. First, AI algorithms can be biased. This is because they are trained on data that is created by humans, and human data can be biased. Second, AI algorithms can be hacked. This means that hackers could potentially gain access to investors' personal information and use it to make unauthorized trades. Technology platforms. There are a number of technology platforms that offer AI-powered investment tools and strategies. Some of the most popular platforms include 1. Wealthfront. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that uses AI to manage its clients' investments. 1. Wealthfront charges a fee of 0.25% of assets under management. 2. Betterment. Betterment is another robo-advisor that uses AI to manage its clients' investments. 2. Betterment charges a fee of 0.25% of assets under management. 3. M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a self-directed investment platform that offers AI-powered investment tools. 3. M1 Finance does not charge any fees for its investment tools. Here are some people to follow. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am a pretty funny guy. So if you're looking for some laughs, subscribe to my channel. But there are a number of people who are experts in AI-powered investing. Some of the most popular people to follow include 1. Catherine Wood. Catherine Wood is the CEO of ARK Invest, a hedge fund that invests in disruptive technology companies. 1. Wood is a strong advocate for the use of AI in investing. 2. Nassim Taleb. Nassim Taleb is a former hedge fund manager and author of the book, The Black Swan. 2. Taleb is a critic of AI-powered investing, arguing that it is too risky and can lead to bubbles and crashes. 3. James Altucher. James Altucher is an entrepreneur, investor, and author of the book, Choose Yourself. Altucher is a strong advocate for the use of AI in investing, arguing that it can help investors to make more informed decisions and reduce their risk. Videos to watch. There are a number of videos that can teach you more about AI-powered investing. Some of the most popular videos include 1. The Future of Investing with AI, by CNBC. 2. How to Invest with AI, by Investopedia. 3. The Pros and Cons of AI-Powered Investing, by The Motley Fool. Here are some strategies that can be used by AI in investing. 1. Algorithmic trading. This is a type of trading that uses AI algorithms to automatically execute trades. 1. Algorithmic traders can take advantage of market fluctuations and maximize profit potential. 2. Sentiment analysis. This is a type of analysis that uses AI to determine the sentiment of social media posts and other online data. 2. This information can be used to identify trends and patterns in the market, as well as to gauge investor sentiment. 3. Machine learning. This is a type of AI that allows algorithms to learn from data and improve their performance over time. 3. Machine learning can be used to identify patterns in market data, as well as to develop trading strategies. 4. Natural language processing. This is a type of AI that allows computers to understand and process human language. 4. This technology can be used to analyze news articles, social media posts, and other text-based data. These are just a few of the many strategies that can be used by AI in investing. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and effective AI-powered investment strategies emerge. Here are some additional details about each of these strategies. 1. Algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading is a type of automated trading that uses computer algorithms to execute trades. 1. These algorithms are typically based on mathematical models that have been trained on historical market data. 1. Algorithmic traders can take advantage of market fluctuations and maximize profit potential by executing trades quickly and efficiently. 2. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a type of natural language processing that is used to determine the sentiment of text data. 2. This data can be anything from social media posts to news articles. 2. Sentiment analysis can be used to identify trends in market sentiment, which can be helpful for investors who are trying to make informed investment decisions. 3. Machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows algorithms to learn from data and improve their performance over time. 3. Machine learning can be used to identify patterns in market data, as well as to develop trading strategies. 3. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to identify stocks that are likely to outperform the market. 4. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a type of AI that allows computers to understand and process human language. 4. This technology can be used to analyze news articles, social media posts, and other text-based data. 4. For example, NLP algorithms can be used to identify key terms and phrases in news articles that may be relevant to the stock market. Disclaimer: the information contained in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. The author is not a financial advisor and does not offer financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, you should consult with a qualified financial advisor. Here are some additional things. 1. The video is not an endorsement of any particular investment product or strategy. 2. The information in the video is based on the author's own research and opinions. 3. The author's opinions may change at any time, and the video should not be considered a guarantee of future performance. It is important to us to be transparent with our viewers about the purpose of our video and to make sure that you understand that the information we are providing is not financial advice. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. You can also follow me on social media for more content. I'm on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram.